For decades, people have misunderstood factory-built homes. They think they'll fall apart, degrade faster than site-built homes, and become an eyesore. And sure, back in the day, some of those fears had merit. But that was then. This is now. Modern manufactured and modular homes aren't just built differently, they're built better. Unlike site-built homes, manufactured and modular homes are engineered to handle extreme conditions, transportation, wind, and heavy loads. Think about this. A manufactured home has to be built strong enough to be lifted, moved, and secured on a foundation. That means they're overbuilt in ways traditional homes aren't. Fact, HUD code requires manufactured homes to withstand transportation forces equal to a hurricane or earthquake. Fact, modular homes meet or exceed local building codes, often surpassing the structural integrity of site-built homes. These homes are precision-built indoors, where materials aren't exposed to rain, humidity, or warping. That means tighter seals, straighter walls, and a stronger structure. Yeah, but won't they look bad in a few years? That's the biggest myth out there. Fact, the materials used in today's manufactured and modular homes, hardy board, vinyl, brick, and metal roofing are the same materials used in traditional homes. Fact, modern exteriors like LP SmartSide, fiber cement siding, and architectural shingles last decades with proper maintenance. And just like site-built homes, how they look over time depends on one thing: maintenance. Any home, whether factory-built or stick-built, will degrade if it's neglected. Modular homes follow the same building codes as site-built homes. Manufactured homes are built to strict HUD codes, which include wind, fire, and energy efficiency standards. Fact, a 2021 FEMA report found that manufactured homes built after 1994 performed as well as, or better than, site-built homes in high wind zones. Fact, modular homes being built to local codes can qualify for traditional mortgages and often exceed the same construction requirements as site-built homes. If you're still stuck on the idea that factory-built homes are lesser than site-built homes, you're thinking about the past. The future of housing is precision-built, cost-effective, and built to last. Want to see the difference for yourself? Visit a modern factory-built home today.